Hey guys, my name is Jordan and we're here on Summit and 5th in downtown Fort Worth, and I'm about to show you Broadstone on 5th. Welcome to Broadstone on 5th, a top-notch resort-style community in downtown Fort Worth. This community offers up to 3-bedroom apartment homes with townhomes and an exclusive penthouse floor. Broadstone on 5th really paid attention to detail. They put this garbage disposal button right here on the counter, which, to be honest, we can't ever find it. And check this out. Have you ever seen a touchless sink faucet? Oops. You gotta go a little bit slow though to get that. And something you really don't ever see is this 6-panel gas stove. This is one thing that I know everyone searches for in an apartment home. Gas panels, and you got 6 of them. And the refrigerators here at Broadstone on 5th have a color-coordinated storage compartment. You can change the temperature based off of if it's deli, beverages, or meat. And tell me this isn't bathroom goals. I mean, seriously, a frameless shower and a standalone tub? I'm obsessed. And the most important thing, this lighting is bomb. The townhomes here at Broadstone on 5th even have their own private garages. Talk about privacy. The apartments here at Broadstone on 5th all come with an intuitive Nest thermostat, which you can program from your phone. They also come with Sonos surround speakers in every single living room, soft close cabinetry, which I personally love. Check that out. It's totally impossible to slam your cabinets. And the most important thing is your own personal wine fridge. And as expected, the amenities here at Broadstone on 5th are insane. Right now, I'm sitting inside of one of 3 reservable conference rooms in their work center. You might as well be ready to cancel all of your gym memberships because their wellness center is incredible. They have free weights up to 75 pounds, a water row machine, and also a Peloton bike. And for those of you who like to get around on 2 wheels, Broadstone on 5th has a bike center where you can store your bikes and has direct street access. And talk about resort-style living. You have a double infinity pool, which you can see right through. A water rain feature, tons of outdoor lounge space, a barbecue grill, and fire pits, all of which that overlook downtown. When it's time to hit West 7th, they even have an area called the Hub where you can wait on your Uber or Lyft ride inside. Broadstone on 5th is literally 4 minutes from West 7th. They're accessible to tons of restaurant and entertainment in downtown Fort Worth. If you want to schedule your private tour, click on the link below or give them a call. But as for now, I'm going to go grab a slice of pizza.